निर्वाचन आयोग ने दिल्ली में होने वाले चुनाव के लिए तारीखों की घोषणा कर दी है। मुख्य निर्वाचन अधिकारी राजीव कुमार ने आज नई दिल्ली में पत्रकारों को जानकारी देते हुए बताया कि दिल्ली विधानसभा के लिए 5 फरवरी को 70 सीटों पर एक ही चरण में चुनाव होगा। वहीं मतगणना 8 फरवरी को की जाएगी। उन्होंने बताया कि 10 जनवरी को अधिसूचना जारी होगी और 17 जनवरी को नामांकन दाखिल करने की अंतिम तारीख रखी गई है।
Date of notification will be 10th of January, Friday. Last date of making nomination will be 17th of January. Scrutiny on 18th of January. Withdrawal 20th. These are the statutory periods of time which is given. Date of poll is 5th and counting is 8th, and 5th again we have very deliberately kept Wednesday. There is no question of introducing virus or bug in the EVM. There is no question of invalid votes in the EVM. No rigging is possible. High Court and Supreme Court is saying continuously in different judgments which are here. No alteration in results is possible by activating a Trojan horse or a virus. Evidence inspires confidence of the court that they are tamper-proof. What else can be said? EVMs are foolproof devices for counting. Allegations of tampering are baseless.